Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel HK Tech. Today I am going to explain you about the benefits of virtual machine, along with that why it is required, and how we can install a Windows Server 2019, which is our first uh, OS for our network administrator course. How you can install it, what type of OS we have required for this type of scenarios, whatever we are performing in the network administrator service. So let's start. Firstly, the virtual environment is kind of environment which is running on your host. Host is your laptop. Okay, inside your laptop, without affecting uh, without getting a effect anything on your current machine, current host, you are running a different kind of environments. As in my scenario, I have created a multiple OS here which I can use in a one time. So for this type of scenario we are using this virtual machine. Okay, and virtual machine is very important in any type of penetrations, testing, learning experience, that if you want to learn any different kind of windows, so these are really benefit for us. Okay, without wasting our time, let's get into the video. Today I'm going to tell you how to install the virtual Windows Server 2019 inside the virtual machine. For this virtual machine, we have to download the Windows OS. So open your Google Chrome and write it here, Windows Server ISO file. Okay, click on search. I'm going to expand it for you guys. So we have to download all the OS file from this official site only. Okay, so that you will not get any additional virus, and which might be helpful for your system. So it's better go on official site, and there is a things which is saying get standard for free. You can try for Azure also, create a virtual machine. It's a automatically created virtual machine, and I'm going to install it. So I need a ISO file, so I will click it here, download the ISO file, and it is asking blah blah information. What I do, I'm not going to provide my um, basic information here, so I'm using XYZ, reason whatever you want, company size, job role, I don't mind. So you can put any number. Okay, and they will not verify anything. Okay, I want this, go and download. Whenever you click on download, going to be a download here. Okay, now which we always looking for this version, United States English, and whatever the language you are using, you can download it from any language: Russian, Japanese, Indian, Italian, Spanish, French, and Chinese also. So I'm going with this ISO 60-bit 64-bit version. Okay, and download section, download. So my file is getting download here. Okay, once it's download, we will start. The file is already downloaded here. Okay, now we are going to click on here as a create a new virtual machine. Okay, here is it is asking for the configuration. Okay, typical type is a type of recommendation that it is picking the information from your systems automatically. Okay, and the custom is type of advanced option. You can choose the data like RAM, CPU, storage, how many you want, like this type of details you can change it from here. In the custom, you can choose anything, but inside the default, this configuration is selected by virtual machine by default, whatever it is. Okay, so if you are clicking here recommended option, click on next, it will not show you that what's the default configuration they have selected. Okay, but if you are clicking here custom, then it will show you the default configuration that it is going to be a selected, but you can increase it. Okay, so the limitation is 128 GB memory, 32-bit processor, 10 network adapters, 8 GB hard disk, 8 terabytes hard disk, sorry, and 8 GB of graphic card. So these are the limitation of this virtual machine. Okay, so if it is not recommended here, so if you this is a maximum. Okay, and you can choose below these things. So I always recommend you guys go with the this type of typical option, typical recommended option. So it gonna be a selected later. Okay, now you can, we have a 3 installation media here. Disk, we don't have any disk drive nowadays inside the laptop, so we are going to select only 2 options. We have one image, okay, and second is um, this install it later option. Okay, so if we are going with the install it later option, we can choose whatever the media we have. Okay, I'm going to select the Windows Server 2019. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking for the product keys, which we don't have. Okay, what we do in this scenario, we are going click on back, as we don't have. We will select it here. We'll install this operating system later. Okay, then click on next. It is Windows, so I have selected a guest operating system is Windows version 2019 server. Virtual machine name which will be appear here, so it is going to be a same, and if you want to create any or specify any different name, then you can choose it here a name. I want to put it as a name as a DC1, domain controller 1, so I put it here, and I want to specify the location where I want to do this, so DC1 testing. Okay, this is my folder, so I can identify that this is my virtual machine for this, and I have to put it here also, testing. Okay, and this is the recommended size, which is 60. I always recommend go with 35 because it is quite, go with 30 or 35. It is sufficient for Windows Server, but not for your client OS. Okay, the next and finish. So here testing one is up here. Go to this edit option. Here is a CD DVD SATA. Instead of physical drive automatic, choose your ISO image. Browse where you have put it your OS. Just select the location of your OS and next. Okay, so as I showed you, yeah, we have selected the typical recommended option. What is that? It is selected like the by default memory, processor, hard drives. Like we have selected this hard disk, how much we want, and all the network adapters is all. So everything is selected by default except this hard disk. So this is the main reason of choosing the typical recommended option. If you don't want to choose that, then you have to specify all of the things that you want, 4 GB RAM or something like that. But if you want to change like after selecting this typical of, if you change your mind to select this, just double click over here memory, it will, the pop-up will be appear here, and you can choose like if you want 4 GB RAM, so it take the 4 GB RAM here. Okay, and click on this. So we have already selected. Now click on power option. So what we have to do, it is asking to press any keyboard from the keyboard as you are selecting a file here, and it is saying the installation, I will install it later. Okay, I will let you know that what is it. So this operating system is fine for testing purpose, or if you want to do anything else. So Windows Server, so this operation is fine for testing purpose, or if you want to learn and become a network administrator for any company. So this is the best platform. So selected English, everything is fine. Install. So this Windows Server comes with a 4 variant. What is that? One is a Windows Server Standard Evaluation, which is 64-bit, and it's kind of CLI. So it is a CLI. If you have a good experience with the command line service, then you can install this one. But I always recommended you guys go with this desktop. Sorry. So I always recommend you guys go with this desktop edition because it is a GUI based graphical user interface, and you can install it, and it is pretty good to use as like a window. And this is a data center evaluation, and this is a same desktop experience. So the first is CLI, then GUI, CLI, and GUI. So I am recommend you guys go with this desktop edition and click on next. I agree all the term and condition what else, custom installation. As we are installing the another Windows, we are following the same steps. Okay, and this installation process is totally depend on your PC speed, what is the speed of your GPUs and all. So in my scenario it will take like 4 to 5 minutes, so I'm keeping like a fast and forward for this installation of video, and after that I will let you know that how we are going ahead, what we have to do. So the installation is finished and it is going to start couple of times, restart automatically. So let it be, whatever he is doing, you don't have to do anything here. So after restarting couple of times, it is asking for our user credential. The main thing is that the by default username is administrator, which we cannot change. Okay, we have to select the password, whatever you want you can select it, but keep it, remember this password for our future reference and future use. So now you can double click here, so it will appear. If it is not working, then go click it here, it will show you the login page. Then now type your password and it's ready for use. So you guys can easily use it. And here is the server manager. So this is on a NAT network, so it is taking the network informations from our host system. Okay, this is a server manager page. So by default everything is empty because we didn't configure any type of information here. We will talk about these things later. So this is all about the installation of Windows Server 2019 in our virtual environment or a virtual box. This video will help you out, and if you have any type of question or a query, please do comment in the comment box. I will definitely help you out and answer your question. Every twice a week we are coming with a new video with a new topic, so please do like and subscribe on our channel and give us a support. Your support is motivating us. Thank you.